If your kitchen feels small, cluttered, and frustrating to work in, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into some of the smartest Amazon finds made specifically for tiny kitchens. These are space-saving, budget-friendly upgrades that actually make a big difference in how your kitchen looks and functions. No remodeling, no major expenses, just clever gadgets and organizers that help you cook, store, and move more comfortably every day. All the product links are in the description below. Now let's start the lineup with this undershelf spice rack. It's a genius way to reclaim hidden space under cabinets. This smoothly slides out from beneath your existing shelves, keeping all spice jars perfectly visible and easy to grab while cooking. No more cluttered counters or fumbling through random jars. Built sturdy yet simple, it maximizes vertical space efficiently without complicated installation. Oh yeah, this small upgrade instantly makes kitchens calmer, more functional, and surprisingly satisfying, giving meal prep a much smoother, stress-free flow every day. Right after that, here's this sink caddy organizer. A clever little solution for keeping cleaning essentials neat, organized, and reachable at all times. This attaches directly to the sink or countertop, holding sponges, brushes, and soap without slipping, tipping, or cluttering surfaces. No more wet messes or scrambling to find your scrub brush mid-cleanup. Compact, durable, and simple to maintain, it keeps counters tidy. Oh yeah, everyday kitchen cleaning suddenly becomes faster, easier, and surprisingly pleasant with this small but functional upgrade. Meanwhile, talking about this magnetic shelf for fridge, adding storage and style at once. This shelf attaches magnetically to any metal surface, creating an open space for small jars, snacks, or spices, while keeping a sleek wood aesthetic. Everything is fully visible, accessible, and easy to organize. No more messy fridge doors or lost items in the back. Yeah, this smart shelf instantly upgrades kitchens by keeping counters clean, items organized, and small spaces stylish without taking extra room. Next up on the list is this drawer cutlery organizer tray. Perfect for small or slim drawers that always seem chaotic. This divided tray keeps spoons, forks, and knives separated, preventing drawers from turning into messy piles. It fits a variety of drawer sizes and holds up well for everyday use. No more digging around or scrambling for utensils mid-cooking. Oh yeah, this small upgrade makes drawers more functional, counters calmer, and meal prep smoother, giving tiny kitchens a highly organized and efficient vibe consistently every single day. Sliding into clever storage with this 360-degree pantry organizer, it rotates so canned foods, bottles, and jars are always reachable with zero effort. This two-tiered system can hold up to 30 pounds and even comes with bonus bins for extra items. Spinning access makes grabbing what you need faster without rearranging anything. No more cluttered shelves or hidden cans. Yeah, this carousel upgrade maximizes pantry space, improves visibility, and makes meal prep effortless while keeping kitchens tidy, organized, and stress-free all the time. Now here's something essential, this rotating grain dispenser. Ideal for storing cereals, grains, or dry foods neatly and visibly. This transparent dispenser has 6 compartments, each sealed tightly to maintain freshness while showing contents at a glance. One click opens a section for precise scoops. No spills, no guessing. Portioning and refilling becomes simple and efficient. Oh yeah, kitchens instantly feel more organized, functional, and streamlined, making cooking faster, cleaner, and totally hassle-free every single day without unnecessary mess. Moving ahead, take a peek at this large dish drying rack. Yeah, a serious multitasker for busy countertops. This 2-tier stainless steel design holds plates, bowls, and cups while channeling water efficiently into a large drain board. The extra wide layout keeps counters dry, neat, and hygienic. No more dripping chaos or clutter after washing dishes. Everything dries fast and stays accessible. You know, this rack transforms washing into a smoother, calmer, and more satisfying routine, making kitchen cleanup faster, easier, and much less stressful every day. Heading forward with this rolling kitchen island stand, it is kinda next level, combining mobile prep space, storage, and functionality. This table on wheels features a wood drop leaf countertop, spice and towel racks, and even doubles as a bar cart. Perfect for compact kitchens craving extra surface space. Mobility means it can slide anywhere for maximum convenience. Oh yeah, this little rolling island boosts kitchen efficiency, keeps ingredients organized, and makes cooking or entertaining simpler, smoother, and more enjoyable while giving small spaces a stylish, functional upgrade. And hey, all these goodies are lined up in the description below. Grab your favorites and start transforming your kitchen today. And here's a smart rice dispenser. A perfect solution for bulk storage without clutter or mess. This airtight container holds up to 25 pounds of rice and includes a handy measuring cup for precise portions. No more awkward scooping from flimsy bags or spills on counters. Built to be sturdy and easy to refill, it keeps grains fresh and accessible. Oh yeah, this upgrade instantly makes kitchens calmer, more organized, and functional, helping cooking and prep flow smoothly every day while keeping countertops tidy. Next on deck is this 2-tier pots and pans hanging rack, freeing up valuable cabinet space while keeping cookware visible and protected. This sturdy rack hangs pans using detachable S-shaped hooks, letting you adjust layout for different sizes and styles. No more stacking chaos, scratched surfaces, or heavy lifting. Grabbing the right pan instantly feels satisfying. Oh yeah, kitchens become open, functional, and organized while cookware stays ready, safe, and easy to reach, making cooking smoother, safer, and more enjoyable every time. Rolling along with this 5-tier fruit and vegetable storage cart. Oh, perfect for tiny kitchens craving organized produce without clutter. This rotating basket system sits on wheels, keeping fruits and veggies visible, fresh, and easy to access. The one-piece design simplifies cleaning while mobility allows placement anywhere. No more bruised produce or messy countertops. Yeah, this cart improves kitchen efficiency, clears counters, and makes meal prep effortless, giving small spaces a smarter, cleaner, and more enjoyable vibe day after day with zero frustration. And here's this expandable utensil drawer organizer. Super smart for keeping spatulas, tongs, and cooking tools in perfect order. This adjustable tray stretches to fit drawers of different widths while separating utensils neatly. No more digging through messy drawers or misplaced tools mid-cooking. Durable and functional for everyday use. Oh yeah, this small upgrade makes tiny kitchens more efficient, keeps drawers calm, and speeds up cooking while utensils stay organized, accessible, and exactly where you need them consistently every day. Now let's look at this rolling fridge organizers. These small carts slide effortlessly under fridges or in narrow spaces for extra storage. This keeps bottles, snacks, and pantry items visible, easy to grab, and mobile. No more digging through stacked chaos or lost items in the back. Oh yeah, mobility plus accessibility instantly upgrades storage, making kitchens cleaner, more functional, and surprisingly enjoyable to use even when space is tight and counters feel full or crowded. Now it's time to talk about this coffee mug storage box. Perfect for keeping mugs dust-free, protected, and ready to grab. This stackable, foldable container has 24 compartments with dividers that secure each mug while staying compact. Mugs are fully visible, easy to access, and simple to clean. No more chipped, scattered, or awkwardly stacked cups. Oh yeah, countertops instantly feel calmer and kitchens cleaner. You know, this makes morning routines faster, simpler, and way more satisfying while keeping mugs neat and organized every day. Next up, this spaghetti and pasta storage containers. Oh, such a satisfying upgrade for dry goods and pantry essentials. This clear glass set keeps pasta fresh, fully visible, and easy to pour while being dishwasher safe and durable. Tight-fitting lids prevent spills, stale noodles, and unwanted mess. No more torn bags or wasted space in pantries. Yeah, kitchens feel instantly tidier, more functional, and organized while ingredients stay fresh, accessible, and ready for quick meals, making prep faster and stress-free every day. Now here's this metal wire basket set. 4 baskets with wooden handles that blend function and style perfectly. Ideal for fruits, utensils, or pantry items, these baskets stack, slide, and organize easily without cluttering countertops. Sturdy construction keeps everything visible and neat at a glance. No more messy piles or chaotic drawers. Oh yeah, small spaces instantly feel more manageable, stylish, and functional, while daily kitchen routines stay smooth, organized, and surprisingly enjoyable without extra effort or frustration. And finally, last but not least, this meal prep container set. Premium stain shield plastic containers with crystal clear lids keep meals neat, visible, and easy to store or grab on the go. No more leaks, spills, or hidden leftovers. Stackable, durable, and practical, they simplify meal prep, portioning, and storage. Oh yeah, kitchens instantly feel more organized, functional, and stress-free, making cooking, storing, or reheating meals faster, simpler, and surprisingly satisfying every single day while keeping small spaces polished and efficient. And that's a wrap on all 17 must-have tiny kitchen upgrades and organizers you can grab right now. From clever pull-out racks and rotating dispensers to rolling islands, drawer organizers, and smart storage solutions, these picks make even the smallest kitchens more functional, organized, and enjoyable. Every item adds convenience, efficiency, or style without breaking the bank. If something caught your eye, all the links are waiting in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who loves a smarter, clutter-free kitchen, and I'll see you in the next one.